Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a 14-pan Gelato display with curved glass at the front. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the unit's length, they're about like 70 inches long. And the overall height is about like 51 inches tall. And the overall depths, they are about like 33.5 inches deep. So as we can see, the units, they have a display at the front. It's curved glass, and they have about like 14 pans total inside, and the sliding doors at the backs. And also coming from the units on the top, they have LED light strips. We do have the ETL sanitation stickers on the side. They come in with the diagrams and the informations on it. Let's take a look at the backside and the inner side dimensions. This is the backside of the units. We have operation stations right here. For the stations, they are about like 5 inches deep. You can temporarily put some cups right here to helping the customer to pick they want. And if you look in the bottom right here, we do have the controllers right at the bottoms and have a switchers for the power. And also these plugs, they're using the US 110 standard plugs. And for the back covers, the compressor is mounted right over there. And this cover is removable. Let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. For the sliding entries, we can take our measurements. They are about like 30.5 inches wide. It's big access rooms right here. And the inner side dimension for the pans. This unit's inner side about like 67 inches length totally. And the depth about like 25 inches. And the heights right here, they are about like 22 inches in total. We can see they have a pants. You can remove it. And they do have the hinge in the middle of the side. You can remove all the pan sheets to clean it. This hinge also can removable. And for this pan tray, they are about like 13 inches long and 5.5 inches wide. And the depth about like 4 and 3.4 inches deep. For this kind of pan trays inside, we have a total of 13 pans. And also in the middle one, we have a small pans. These pan dimensions, they are about like 5.5 inches by 5 inches and 2 inches deep. The sliding door have a handlebars right here. That's the all information about the backside. This will be the all information about the products. And if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.